Hey, welcome back to the channel. Now, I'm kind of excited for this one. This is something that I've been wanting to look at for quite a while, which really falls in line with my thinking that when it comes to Airbnb, the real money is in the niches. Now I'm here in Ensenado. I'm at the surf house. This is actually one of the first Airbnb hotels that I had ever actually heard about. And basically it was put together by a couple of surfers in the area. They picked up this hotel for about $860,000 back a few years ago. They invested about $14,000 to $15,000 per room for the eight rooms. And basically now they're charging out $220, $240 a night. So they're basically coming up with $500,000 of revenue each year. I think it's just a great concept. I think it's, in many ways, it's going to be the part of the future of Airbnb as Airbnb becomes more regulated in areas. This is obviously a motel, so it's got the right zoning, and so if they were to ban all the Airbnbs in residential areas, there's no problem with this type of thing. It's got every room individually listed on the Airbnb website, and just based on the purchase price and the amount that they can get per room, the actual multiples on something like this are amazing. So again, so popular that I haven't actually been able to book into this place, so I'm actually going to go to another Airbnb type of experience that I'll tap onto this video as well. And to me this shows that if you want to make real money in the Airbnb market, the money's in the niches, so it's about finding the niches. There's a great surf break back there, so they're attracting surfers to the area. It's got that surfy, vibey feel. They've got rid of those pain points. You book it through the website, you get a PIN code, you hit the PIN code, you're in. You're not worrying about staff to check in, check out with. You're just basically straight in. It's in a great location, all up and down this strip. There's little pubs, bars, eat outs, taco houses, all the rest of it. Hey. Well, I didn't get to check in at the surf house in Sonata, but I've probably saved myself about $180 a night, maybe even more, by booking into the House of Trestles, which is down in St. Clemente, which is another bit of a boutique sort of surf adventure style. I guess this one's more of a hostel, so I think I paid maybe $30 a night, maybe 35. So let's go have a look. Now this place is called the House of Trestles. Now Trestles is a sort of a semi-famous surf break just off the back of the point there. Bit of an isolated spot. You've got to walk down a long road. You can't get there easily by vehicle. So this location's here pretty good for anyone who wants to go surfing at Trestles, and I think this is part of what this property's being built around. The place has been set up as sort of a hostel, and it's catering for surfers. It's creating for there's a lot of people in there working on their startups. There's creatives in there, a lot of artists, so it's really focused on that. Actually, a lot of the artists come and they'll paint up the place. So as I take you through, you'll see some of the artwork. Even on this wall here, you'll see that they've come and they've painted it up. So it's a pretty unique experience in that way, and you end up mixing with all sorts of different people. Okay, let's go have a quick look inside. Okay, just inside now, so you can see here that it's really built up for that sort of the surfer vibe. So it's got all the surfboards. You can grab a surfboard, go for a surf. You've got some foamies back there. Some more surfboards. You'll see they actually have artists come through as well, and they paint these murals on the walls. So it's really interesting. A big guitar, actually a smaller guitar as well.
some toilets, bathroom there. Then we come down to the room. So each room is sort of set up differently. There's a threshold suite. More surfboards on the wall. People checking out today with their boards. Down there. Come through, you can see some of this awesome artwork up on the walls. It's pretty cool. Hey, how's it going? Bit of a big chimp there, which I love. Common area. TV. Hey, yeah. Yeah. Bit of a skate ramp in here. Probably won't get too much air off that, but it's pretty cool. So there you have it. Kind of a cool little setup in here. And they've got some activities around it. Get up early, go for a surf, come back 7:30. They do a bit of a yoga session out in this front area, which is cool. They'll do barbecues at night, so really catering for that sort of surfer California lifestyle, which is all really cool. Just forgot to do a quick tour of the room. Just set up as like little pods. I guess like those Japanese hotels that I've heard about. So yeah, interesting.